Therefore, the iPhone 15 series is coming soon with dynamic island, titanium frame, a 17 bionic silicon, action button, and no less topside and chain. Now that the adjacent SLS shows something never done before, BO and LG are having major difficulties creating such H2H screens set to a dynamic island on top. So this doesn't sound or seem good, but Samsung is going to save Apple this time, and yes, they are ready to produce the iPhone 15 series screens. Sony supplies the camera sensors, and LG No Tag supplies the periscope folding lens camera, thus it's clear how these companies collaborate to build the greatest flagship on the planet. Despite all of these manufacturing challenges, the iPhone 15 launch event is expected to take place on September 13th, with reorders beginning 2 days later, on September 15th. So, with a month to go, all 4 models will be coming with Type-C port slide quick charging dynamic island and large batteries. The iPhone 15 will have a 3,877 mAh battery, the 15 Plus will have a 4,912 mAh battery, and the 15 Pro and Pro Max will have a 3,650 mAh and 4,852 mAh battery, respectively. Yes, you may have noticed how long the iPhone 14 Pro Max can last in the battery test. Soon, shocker, the 15 series is coming to an end, highlighting Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus in the battery test. Some news coming out is that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will start at $799 and $899, respectively, while the Pro Max will start at $1,199, which is the highest price increase I've seen. There may also be a 6x periscope camera or an A17 Bionic, which will be powerful and power efficient, according to sources. This year, however, the interesting changes are that they are removing the mute slider in favor of a clickable button, which is not simply a new trigger, so people who acquire the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max would have to learn how to utilize the action button, which is nice and something new to play with. Finally, according to reports coming out of Korea, Apple is pushing suppliers such as Samsung and LG to create bezel-less OLED iPhone screens, and some speculations predict that such a design would appear in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.